If you're a student and you're broke, it's not because there's no money out there. It's because nobody taught you how to get it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact system to make $10,000 before your next semester starts. No degree needed, no luck needed. Just this. This isn't a sell your stuff on eBay video. This is a real skill-based method that students are already using right now. 4 steps, 1 mindset shift, and the exact math to get there. Before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos like this. The problem. Here's the mistake almost every student makes. They trade time for money. Tutoring, retail, food delivery. That caps you at $15 to $20 an hour, and you physically cannot scale past that. There are only so many hours in a week. The students actually hitting $10,000 aren't working more hours. They're selling a skill, not their time. A skill can be sold over and over to multiple people at a price you set. That one shift, from labor to leverage, is the entire game. Step 1. Pick a high-demand skill. Pick one skill that businesses are already paying for. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be one lesson ahead of a beginner. Here are 5 skills you can learn in 2 to 3 weeks using free tutorials. 1. Short-form video editing. Every business now needs Reels and TikToks. Learn CapCut or Premiere Basics. Cuts, captions, pacing. 2. Copywriting. Businesses need emails, ads, and product descriptions that actually convert. This is pure words to money. 3. Web design with no-code tools like Framer or Webflow. Small businesses will pay $500 to $1,500 for a simple site. 4. Social media management. Most local businesses post randomly with zero strategy. You fix that for a monthly fee. 5. AI automation/chatbot setup. This is the newest one, and it's underpriced right now. Businesses will pay $300 to $800 to set up simple AI tools that save them time. Pick the one that sounds least boring to you, not the one that sounds most profitable, the one you'll actually practice. That's the only filter that matters, because consistency beats talent every time. The 20-hour rule. Quick note before step 2. You do not need to master this skill. Research on skill acquisition shows the first 20 hours of focused practice get you from clueless to good enough to be paid. That's about 40 minutes a day for a month. You're not competing with 10-year professionals. You're competing with business owners who have zero skill in this area. You just need to be better than nothing. Step 2. Package it as a product. And this is where most people mess up. Don't say, I do video editing. That sounds like a hobby. Package it into a clear offer with a specific result and a specific price. Weak. I do video editing. Strong. I'll edit 4 short-form videos a week for your business, delivered every Monday for $400 per month. Notice the difference. A timeline, a deliverable, a price. That's not a favor, that's a business. Here's how to price it. Don't charge for your time, charge for the result. A short-form video that gets a business 10,000 extra views is worth way more than the 30 minutes it took you to edit it. Start slightly lower than you think you're worth to land your first 2 to 3 clients and build proof, then raise prices immediately after. Undercharging at the start isn't weakness. It's a strategy to get testimonials fast. Step 3. Get your first 3 clients. Outreach. You don't need a website, a following, or a portfolio. You need 30 minutes a day sending this exact message to small businesses on Instagram or via email. Hey, the client's name, love what you're doing with the specific thing about their business. I help businesses like yours with add your skill. I put together a quick free example for you. Want me to send it over? Then actually make them a free sample. 1 edited video, 1 rewritten headline, 1 mock website homepage. This one move, giving proof before asking for payment, is why students land clients in their first week, while everyone else waits for permission. Send this to 20 businesses a day. Even a 10% reply rate gets you 2 conversations daily, which is 14 conversations a week. More than enough to land 2 to 3 paying clients in your first month. Common objection you'll hear, we don't have budget right now. Don't argue. Just say, no worries, I'll check back in a month. Feel free to keep the free sample either way. This keeps the door open without being pushy, and a lot of them come back. Step 4. Scale to $10,000. Once you land client number 1, don't stop outreach. Momentum is everything. Here's the exact scaling math. Ask every happy client for 1 referral. Referred clients close 3 times faster because trust is already built. Raise your price by 20% every 3 new clients. Your first client might pay $300. Your sixth client should be paying $500 plus because your portfolio and confidence are growing. By the time you have 5 to 6 clients paying $300 to $500 per month, you've crossed $10,000 across a semester. And unlike a part-time job, this doesn't stop paying you when you graduate. It becomes a real business or a resume line that gets you hired anywhere. The 3 mistakes that kill this. Before you go, 3 mistakes that stop students from ever hitting $10,000. 1. Chasing a new skill every week instead of going deep on one. Pick and commit for 90 days minimum. 2. Waiting to feel ready before reaching out. You'll never feel ready. Send the message anyway. 3. Undercharging forever out of fear. Raise your prices once you have proof. Clients respect confidence more than cheap rates. So to recap, pick one skill, package it as a result-based offer, send 20 messages a day with free proof, then scale with referrals and price increases while avoiding the 3 mistakes I just gave you. That's the entire $10,000 system. No luck, no shortcuts, just execution. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos like this.